Hello, hi Tanuja. I'm so sorry there was some network problem. I was not able to join.
Yeah, same here. I was facing the same problem. I don't know why. It was kind of
Yeah,
application problem.
yeah, I guess maybe. Okay, so without wasting time, Tanuja, have you gone through the topic of the day?
Yes.
Okay, it is shopping. It is an interesting topic, right?
Yeah, right.
Okay. Tell me, do you love shopping?
Yes, I like it.
You enjoy shopping.
Yes.
Okay. So where do you usually shop?
Actually, I like to do offline shopping, and I go to shop, and especially for something kind of where I can get everything. Uh, I
Okay.
like that shop. Yeah.
Okay. Okay. So don't you prefer shopping online?
Yes, I do it, but it is not a kind of thing that I am very fond of this. But
Okay.
whenever it depends on the situation. When I get a chance to do online shopping, then I do online. Sometimes I use offline and online both.
Okay. Both. Fine. So do you ever buy second-hand things?
Not really.
Okay. Okay. Fine. And do you bargain when you shop?
Yes, I do, but I'm not very good at bargain. So that is
Okay. Not very good at bargaining. Okay.
yes.
Fine. And how much do you think you spend every month on shopping?
Yes, I spend every month. I cannot calculate that, but yeah, I do every month on, especially on clothes and some of
Okay.
the makeup accessories.
Okay. So do you wait for the discount deals before shopping?
Yeah, sometime when I have to do online shopping, then I wait and that's it.
Okay. And tell me, what is that one thing that you are wanting to buy next?
What is the next thing?
Yeah. What do you want to buy next?
I haven't think it, but most of the time I buy clothes only.
Okay. You just said that I haven't think that. So that is wrong. You should have said that I haven't thought about it.
Okay, I haven't thought about it.
Yes.
Yeah.
Okay, fine. Do you remember the last thing that you bought for yourself?
Yes, I remember, and actually I did a lot of shopping because I had to go Mumbai trip. So I
Okay.
purchased so many things like clothes and the makeup accessories and
Okay.
shoes, everything.
Okay. Fine. What is the most expensive thing that you have ever bought?
It may be the electrical things like mobile.
The electronic things. Okay.
Yes.
Okay. Fine. And whom do you usually go shopping with?
Yes. I usually go with my sister because she is good at bargaining. So I like,
Okay.
and most of the time I like her choice, and so that is why I usually go with my sister.
Okay. Okay. And tell me, when you want to buy something expensive, do you usually compare the prices from various stores or from various online apps?
And yes, I compare it when I go to the offline shopping. So firstly, I visit to many shops and compare the prices and where I can get the less prices. So I usually do that thing.
Okay. Wherever you find the product to be cheapest, you buy from there.
Yes.
Okay. 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 Now I will start and ask you some words related to this topic. Okay. A set of new vocabulary. Okay. You tell me if you know the meaning. First word is flea market.
Flea market. Yeah, the market where we can get the old product or old
No,
things.
no, no. A flea market is, when at one place only you have a lot of stalls
Okay.
selling food, furniture, clothes, anything. So it is a place where you have a lot of stalls to do that.
Okay, got it.
The stalls can even sell old furniture and clothes, but it is not only about old furniture and clothes.
Okay.
Okay.
Yeah,
Next
it
word
can
is
be new or old both.
yes, yes, yes. Next word is fishmonger.
Yes. Who sells fish? Fresh
Yes,
fish.
correct. Who is an optician?
Sorry.
Optician.
Optician. Yeah. Who sells opticals?
Who sells glasses or contact
Yeah.
lens?
Yeah.
Baker.
Who sells bakery product or
Bakery
the
items.
bread? Yeah.
Yes, correct. Who is a butcher?
Who sells meat product?
Yes, correct. Very good. Next word is stingy.
Uh, yeah, we can say the miser
Yes,
who don't want to spend money.
easily. Who
Right.
doesn't spend money easily. Okay.
One second.
Next word is supermarket.
Where we can get all the product at the same place
Under the same
or
roof.
grocery. Yeah.
Yes, yes, correct, correct. Next word is thrifty.
Okay. Can't recall that.
Okay. See, thrifty means when you are very careful of your money and how you spend it. So there is a difference between stingy and thrifty. Stingy means a person who doesn't want to spend only. And
Oh,
thrifty means when you think a lot, when you're very careful about how you're spending your money.
yeah. Then I said wrong because I'm kind
Yes.
of thrifty person.
Thrifty. Yes, correct.
Thrifty person. Yeah.
Yes. Window shopping.
Uh, yes, the person who likes to watch the things, but they don't buy that. Something.
Yeah. But it is not a person. Window shopping is an act of, just going and visiting the stores without the intention of buying anything.
Oh, yeah.
Okay.
Mhm.
Next word is giveaway prices. Have you ever heard of this phrase, giveaway prices?
No, I haven't.
Giveaway prices means very low prices. Because they want to sell or give away all the items, they keep very low prices.
It's a kind of sell or different. It is different from the sell product.
Uh, yeah, you can consider it sale, but in giveaway prices, the prices are even lower than that in sale.
Okay.
Okay. And last word, let's take clearance sale. What is clearance sale?
Uh, when the shopkeeper wants to sell the product on very cheapest price to clear their stock, that is.
Yes, very good. That's right. Very good. Okay. So Tanuja, I've almost covered everything. Before giving the feedback, you tell me if you have any queries, any doubts.
No, I just want my feedback, and I haven't got too much chance to speak.
You haven't got too much chance to speak.
Yes.
Okay, so you speak. You do have 3 minutes left. Tell me what you want to speak. You have all the time.
Till now, what suggestion you wanna give to me, and what improvement I can do? That's what I want to know.
Okay. See, as far as the feedback is concerned, you are pretty good with fluency. You don't even take long pauses while talking. The only places I think you should focus on is the tenses. Okay, you are not making major mistakes, but you are making minor mistakes with tenses in the sentences. Sometimes you have used wrong tenses.
Yeah.
Yeah, so
Mhm.
tenses is the first thing that you should completely correct and focus on. After that is done, then you should focus on the vocabulary, so that
Yeah.
you get grooming with the advanced English and fluency. When you use even two good words in your sentences, your whole speech turns out to be very effective or very fancy.
Yeah.
So that's why.
Yeah. That is right.
Now you tell
And
me. Yeah, tell me what
yeah,
you want to
yeah,
say.
it happens. I know the tenses rule and where I have to use what, but when I speak, sometimes I forget that word, or it can be of I want to speak very fluently, so that's why I left that word. Or
You leave that. Okay, because you want to speak fast, you sometimes make mistakes or fumble with the tenses.
Yes, I think.
So that is okay. That is not a big problem. You that will come with practice. When you talk in English every day with people who are there to guide you here on Clapingo, that problem will slowly go. So that is not something to be, worried about.
Okay, fine.
Okay.
Yes.
So that's all from my side, Tanuja. It was nice talking to you. I hope to see you soon again.
Yeah,
Take care.
same here. Thank
Bye
you.
bye.
Bye.